Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you in another lecture video of the course Project Management. So today's topic is EMV, that is Expected Monetary Value. What is EMV? It is a risk management technique to help quantify and compare risk in many aspects of the project. What does that mean? That we simply can say it helps to perform quantitative risk of a project. So the next question is, why do we calculate EMV? What is the need of calculating EMV? So we calculate EMV because it helps not only with the cost but also with the risk management. So this was the definition and the reason of calculating EMV. Now we have a question here. You can see we have three risks. The probabilities of each risk is given, and also the impact, means the cost of each risk is given to us, right? So how do we solve the questions of EMV? We need to multiply the probability and the cost of each risk, and then the probabilities which have positive impacts, the risk which have positive impacts will be added, and the risk which have negative impacts will be subtracted. So let's start solving this question. The first probability is 15%, means 0.15, and we have to multiply it with the cost, that is $300. See, so the answer will be $45. The second risk is a dependent coding module is completed early, and its probability is 8%, and if it does happen, it will cost us $500. So we need to multiply these two, means 8% is 0.08 multiply by $500. So the answer is $40. The third risk is procurement is taxed at customs. The probability of this risk is 10%, and if it does happen, it will cost us $100. So we need to multiply the probability with the cost. So it is 10%, so it will become 0.1 multiplied by $100. So equals like this. So the answer is $10. Now if we see the question and read the impact, so the first risk will cost us $300, means it has a negative impact. So we need to subtract the answer of this probability, that is 45. So I have subtracted this. If we see the second risk and read this impact, so it will save 2 days of work, so means it has a positive impact. So what I need to do is I need to add the cost of this impact, that is 40. So I will write it with a positive sign. And now if I see my third risk, it will cost me, means it also has a negative impact if it does happen. So I have to write it with a negative sign. So now calculate all these. Minus 45 plus 40 minus 10, it will be minus 15. Add the signs of dollar with every one and also in your answer. So this is the answer. What does that mean? It means that I have to add an extra cost of $15 in my project. So if all these risks happen, we can overcome these risks. So it is all about EMV. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe my channel as well.